finished their confirmation. Congratulations! Yay! Woohoo! Hi, hi, hi. Yay! Paparazzi. Yay! Congratulations!
Okay, look at the camera.
You're closer to God. Money. Are you going now?
Yes, you baby.
Okay, we're now going to the reception. Heartland, Eastside Mario's.
Okay.
Where are we, guys? Eastside Mario's, Eastside Mario's. Hey, bada boom, bada bing.
Oh my
Look at that. Look, look. Hey.
Oh my God.
Hey. What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth?
Let's see the tea.
What is it?
Cheese.
It's chocolate.
Got the bread. We got our bread. It's getting demolished. Second round of free bread. Ah, round 2. Anya! Hi! Wow, look at that. Fettuccine. Look at this though. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Look at this cute chocolate.
I don't really eat chocolate. I eat this one.
I'm so full. I'm so full right now. Yeah! Yeah, baby! Yeah! How's everybody? Full. You're full. Dead. I'm full. Mickey, how are you?
Yeah. Yeah. You're good.
He's high. He's high. Taking a group picture. Versace, 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 Versace. No, it's in the bag. Versace, 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 Versace. That's my grandpa, everybody. Versace, 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 Versace. That ass, though. That ass. By fireworks right now. It's almost Victoria Day. That's huge. It's a truck. Yeah. Yes, we're here. We're gonna pick our poison. What did you buy?
The apocalypse.
The apocalypse. We're gonna die. We're
gonna get cooked.
oh shit. Lighting up sparklers for Whoa, look at that. Group selfies. Yeah, what's up? Hey.
World star.
World star, world star. Ooh,
World
kill
star.
him.
World star.
We're now setting up fireworks. Fireworks are setting up. Let's go. There's a tornado. Oh, whoa. That's tornado. Tornado, everybody. Oh boy. Here we go, number 2. Here we go. Oh!
That's it? Yeah. Whoa!
Okay. Go, 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 go! Oh! World star! That was nice. Okay, go.
Oh!
Nice. How's the show, guys? How is it?
It's good.
Yeah. Woo, good job, Arnold. Go. Ayos mío. Ready? This is Crackling Comet. Oh! I thought someone said that spins.
Spin?
It hit the house. Go! Beautiful.
It's like a artillery gun.
Beautiful. Light it up, light it up, light it up. Oh! Oh, shit.
Oh, nice.
Hey.
Oh, look at the morning.
Yo, you could be like anxious with
I'm not scared of you.
Oh! Alright, this is the crackling palm, everybody. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Crackling palm.
Is that upside down? I'm not scared.
Whoa! Oh! Okay. Hey, we're now in the neighborhood. We're gonna light up a big one. We're on the driveway. It said you have to be 60 meters far away.
Watch this.
That's good. Look at my stupid brother. Stupid idiot.
I'm ready, recording.
Go! Are you guys ready?
Yeah. Ah! Fuck! Fuck! Ah! Oh! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! That's it?
That's nice.
World Star.
Our silhouettes, silhouettes. Bye.